everyone, and a special hello to you who is watching this video. And today it's the time for my little baby doll for a onesie. It's so cold there by us, even I've got my onesie on today because it's like a winter and it's ice cold. So yeah, and I'm home alone. My husband is gone already again on his biking things, and I'm not doing that in the winter. I'm sorry, it's too cold for that in the winter, really. So yeah, I got a little piece of something like fleece, type of fleece. It's soft on the inside, on the wrong side, so you fold in half. You've old faithful pattern for the little baby girl onesie. So just as always, put it on the line, and then you just draw around the pattern. Okay, so there's all your onesies lines there, and just put a needle inside just to keep everything in place. And then obviously you want to put a hat on your onesie, so I've got a little off-cut piece here. I want just to have it a little fold over, so just small fold over, and then you just put it around the head just to see at the back side basically where you must cut. So it's almost, it's like saying there, and then I'm just more quickly going to draw just a line to show where I want it to go, and just that's it. And you can, even if you want, put a pin in there as well, just to keep everything in place. So then I'm going to just work, sew it on the line. So I'm going to quickly just move over to my sewing machine and just sew on the lines, and then I'll see you just now. Okay, so now everything is sewn. So I'm just gonna, as usual, also cut this out here, and on the blue, and then just around, not on the, okay, now so everything is now cut out, and here by the neck side, because as usual you did do your triangle, and then you just give it a little cut here in front, so then you can just turn everything inside out as well. Okay, then for the hat, just also just turn it inside out. Okay, and then just fill it on her head to see where it basically must come on a by her neck. So it's about, yeah, so I'm just gonna hold there, and then just cut it there. Okay, and then you just need to attach the, so from the start, well, obviously this must be now, yeah, right side together. So just make sure the side, this is in the middle here of the back. Just put a pin in there to keep it in place. And hold this fold here and start here by the neck side, and then just sew it all around here up to the side. Yeah. Okay, then I'm gonna quickly go off the machines quickly and I'll be see you now. And there you go, our little onesie is finished. So let's see how look on there. Well, there you go. She's in a little onesie. I made this another one as well out of from a t-shirt. So I think this little lady got good wardrobe for the winter. I mean, she's got 4 baby grows, 4 hats, vests, shoes, pants, shirts, nappies. I think she's organized for our winter now. So I think, and all of this stuff came out of this little simple pattern that I used for all this. So I think that's enough now for this little one here. She's got enough clothes now. So next on the in line for new clothing is her little brother. So I'm gonna do some clothes for him next after this one. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this tutorials on how to make clothes for a little baby doll. It's actually so easy. Even the shoes that I thought was so difficult to make was actually not so bad after all. I will see in the summer for sandals and that stuff. Maybe that's a new story. But yeah, until next time, bye.